Okay, in this video we'll talk about the type of cosmetics that we have to buy. And if you go into a supermarket, go to an aisle which actually has a lot of organic stuff. Of course, lotions, soaps can be organic, but it may not be about the detergents that we use. So there are some markets where the good varieties or the plant-based detergents are sold. So go to that market, go to that aisle, and then buy only the plant-based. Why plant-based? Is it good? Yes, it is good for your skin because there's no chemical used in that detergent, or it may be the that you are using for laundry, or using for in your kitchen, or using as a hand soap. It can be anything. If you are using it on your skin will absorb all those chemicals. Skin will absorb the moisture. Skin will absorb a lot of stuff into your body. So if you are putting anything on the top, it will be absorbed. And if you are putting on the top of the clothes, especially the chemicals that they are using, the residue will be remained in the clothes. There will be little residue. It may not be lot of matter. It will be very less. But when you smell the garments, you feel the smell of that detergent. That means that there is a residue of that inside this cloth, and that is touching your skin. It will irritate your skin. And not just that, all the chemicals that are washed away, means whenever the washing machine runs through and then runs through with the chemical based detergent, it goes into the water, and it goes into the drainage, and then to the lakes or rivers, and then that water will come back to you. So which means the municipal water is because of whatever we put in our clothes, whatever we put as our detergent, as a hand lotion or a kitchen soap. So all that we use will come back to us. And forget about what comes back, but think about that matter touching you. So it will irritate your skin, and you are inhaling all those fragrances, you are inhaling those chemicals. So you are directly like a smoker. You don't need to actually smoke, but you are actually inhaling all this stuff, and these are all toxic for your body. It is not as toxic as that if you just wash these clothes and then you will go ill. You won't be sick only by just washing the detergent in a chemical. That's why all these detergents are in the supermarket, because it's not that harmful that it will immediately make you sick, but it will slowly make you sick. It is like a slow poison on your body for your health. So that for that reason, just for the sake of environment, for the sake of your own health, and for the sake of your kids' health, try to buy all the stuff which are plant-based. And if you're buying any lotions, maybe in the coming videos I can show you how to prepare lotions at home, or even soaps. But if you want to buy because you don't have the time or the patience, then actually try to buy the organic stuff, which is basically has no sulfates, no phosphates, no other added chemicals, no fragrances. You can, if you need fragrance, then I think go for the option which has essential oils taken from flowers, taken from fruits. So those are the things that we can still buy, and then we can still have the same feeling. So yeah, so that's about it. Think about it, and even if it costs a little more, these are best for you, because you won't be inhaling the stuff, your skin won't be absorbing all those chemicals which you have to detoxify, because detoxification will take a lot of money from you than buying this good stuff. Thank you.